Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your credit or debit card to crypto.com. Now, don't be like me and click on the card button because that is not where you need to go. You need to make a trade first. So what you want to do is click on the little trade icon in the middle and click on buy. Now, from there, you can pick whatever coin you want. I'll just pick Kronos, it's the first one there. And now we will be brought to this screen. You'll see I already have Google Pay there, but you can add the individual cards yourself by clicking on Add Payment Method. So now you want to click on Credit or Debit Card. And now you'll just fill in all your card details, expiry date, CVV, things like that. You will see a 10-cent transaction in your account, but that is just to make sure that the card is active and you are the actual card holder. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. Do consider hitting that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.